Unleash your inner athlete. Master fitness. Anywhere with these 4 no-equipment exercises. In this video, we will be showing you 4 exercises that you can do without any equipment. These exercises are perfect to get your heart rate up and to help you stay in shape while at home or on the go. So grab your water bottle and let's get started. But before we start, remember to do the warm-up. It's vital to begin any workout with a quick warm-up routine. Start with some gentle stretches, such as neck rolls and toe touches. Then, do some light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. This will get your heart rate up and muscles warmed up. Now let's get started. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great exercise for your upper body and core. Begin by getting into a plank position with your arms and legs straight and your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest touches the ground, then push up and repeat for several reps. Push-ups not only strengthen your upper body and core, but also improve your overall fitness. They are a great way to build endurance and increase muscle strength. To make your push-ups effective, ensure that your body remains in a straight line, from your head to your heels, and your core is engaged throughout the exercise. Consistency is key, so make push-ups a regular part of your workout routine and enjoy the benefits of a stronger body. Number 2. Squats. Squats are a fantastic exercise for your legs and glutes. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing forward. Then, bend your knees and lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Stand back up and repeat for several reps. Squats are highly effective in targeting the major muscle groups of your lower body, such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. They also engage your core muscles, helping to improve your overall stability and balance. Incorporating squats into your workout routine can not only strengthen and tone your lower body, but also contribute to better overall functional fitness. So, get ready to challenge yourself and experience the incredible benefits of regular squatting. Number 3. Lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise for your legs. Not only do they help strengthen and tone the muscles in your thighs and glutes, but they also work your core and improve your balance. To do a lunge, step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. As you lower yourself, be sure to keep your back straight and your chest lifted. Then push back up and repeat with the other leg. Remember to keep your weight in your front heel and your back toes, and engage your abs throughout the movement to support your lower back. Incorporating lunges into your fitness regimen can help you achieve greater lower body strength and overall fitness. And finally, number 4. Plank. The plank exercise is highly effective in strengthening your core muscles and is widely recommended by fitness trainers. To perform the plank, simply start by assuming a push-up position and holding yourself in the top position for as long as you can. This exercise targets your abs, back, and shoulders all at once, helping to improve posture and balance. Gradually increase the duration of the plank as your core muscles become stronger. As with any exercise, it's important to maintain proper form and listen to your body to avoid injury. Incorporate the plank into your regular workout routine for a stronger, more stable core. By holding yourself in a push-up position and engaging your abs, back, and shoulders, you are also working your glutes, quadriceps, and calves. Additionally, as you hold the plank, your body must work to maintain proper form, activating the smaller stabilizing muscles throughout your entire body. Remember to progress gradually and maintain proper form to avoid injury, and you'll soon be on your way to a stronger, more stable core and overall body strength. And there you have it. 4 easy exercises to do without any equipment. Aim to do each exercise for 3 sets of 12 reps, or hold each exercise for 30 to 60 seconds, for a total of 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to cool down, stretch, and hydrate after your workout. So there you go. Now make sure to like and subscribe and comment on what topic should I make next video. Thank you guys.